Ma'am, yes, I
Where
have.
Ma'am, yes, I have written.
some students shared it in the group after completing their work. So I'm just going to discuss these. Up to the types of data we had discussed. Then we have frequency. Frequency is actually the number of times an observation appears. आप जब frequency table बनाते हो, you use tally marks. You can tell कि अगर आपके पास list of observations हैं, जो values आपको नजर आ रही हैं, वो कितनी बार आ रही हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपने फेवरेट कलर के रिगार्डिंग डेटा कलेक्ट किया अपनी क्लास का, उस लिस्ट में रेड कितनी बार आपको मिला, कितने स्टूडेंट्स ने कहा कि रेड इज माय फेवरेट कलर, हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स सेड दैट ब्लैक इज माय फेवरेट कलर. तो जो काउंटिंग होगी दैट विल टेल यू द फ्रीक्वेंसी. I hope everyone knows about this. And then we have telemarks. Telemarks जो आप वो standing lines लगाते थे, those which are used to count the frequency of any observation. सभी को पता होगा 1 के लिए 1 स्टैंडिंग लाइन होती है, 2 के लिए 2 स्टैंडिंग लाइंस आप ड्रॉ करते हो, 3 के लिए 3 स्टैंडिंग लाइंस आती हैं, फिर 4 के लिए 4, 5 के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, 4 स्टैंडिंग लाइंस को क्रॉस आउट कर देते हैं, वो ग्रुप बन जाता है 5 का, सो दैट द काउंटिंग इज इजियर. We don't need the graph bar graph today, Ananya. It's okay if you don't have the bar graph. That's fine. All right. I'm going to take up the doubts once I just discuss this. Then we have exercise 3.1, which is based on mean and range. So data जो हमारे पास है, हम उसका क्या करें? To conclude or to interpret, to find out results, हम कुछ mathematical calculations कर सकते हैं उनके. The most common is to find out the mean. We can call it the mean, the average, or the arithmetic mean. These are all synonyms. These can be used in exchange for each other. Question में कुछ भी पूछा जा सकता है. Mean can be calculated by writing down the sum of all observations, dividing the answer by number of observations. ये वाला क्वेश्चन आपका periodic 1 में भी था. Decimal numbers दिए थे आपको और आपको उनका average find out करना था. You had to add the numbers and divide by how many numbers were there. Do you remember this? How many of you remember doing that question? 4 decimal numbers दिए थे, 3 marks का question था. Some students actually I had to deduct their marks because उन्होंने calculation show नहीं की थी. Yes, okay, good. Simran remembers, Gunjanpreet remembers, that's good. So जब भी आपको mean find out करना है, जितनी भी values आपको दी हुई हैं, सभी को एक बार plus कर लो. And the answer is to be divided by how many numbers there were. Second, range. Range हमें ये बताएगी हमारी values कितनी कहाँ तक spread हो रही हैं. So lowest value जो आपको दिख रही है उस लिस्ट में, सबसे छोटा नंबर जो दिख रहा है और जो सबसे बड़ा नंबर दिख रहा है, उन दोनों का जो डिफरेंस होगा वो आपको बताएंगे कि रेंज क्या है. So these are the two questions simply, like आपकी पूरी एक्सरसाइज में सिर्फ यही है, find the range, find the mean, and some other questions related to this or based on this. Rishit, can you please unmute?
Ma'am, I have to ask that. Ma'am, can you repeat your question which you asked?
In exam.
मैम नो एग्जाम नहीं, जो भी आप बोल रहे थे कौन कौन इज रिमेम्बर वाला.
I was asking how many of you remember के periodic 1 में question था, find the average of these numbers.
मैम यस एवरेज.
एवरेज वाला क्वेश्चन था.
ma'am.
एग्जाम्पल भी है आपकी चैप्टर 2 में, एक एग्जाम्पल भी है.
मैम यस रिमेम्बर.
चैप्टर 2 में सेकंड लास्ट एक्सरसाइज जो, सॉरी, 2.7 से पहले एक क्वेश्चन आता है, लेफ्ट साइड पे शायद टॉप पे. Harpreet Singh, 3.1 is not deleted, only first question is deleted. Right. If I had to, turn to that page, I'll just quickly show you. Maybe आपको शायद याद आ जाए.
ठीक है.
This question, page 54. Do you see this?
मैम
So this is the same question which we've already done and we will be doing now in third chapter. Third chapter, exercise 3.1. Kindly turn to your textbooks, page number 62.
Ma'am, when we will need bar graph?
Third exercise.
Ma'am, can you tell the date? So I will arrange.
I cannot predict. Arrange it by Saturday.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. In a day or two, rather. Friday तक arrange कर लेना.
Okay, ma'am.
Second question, organize the following marks in a class assessment in a tabular form. आपको टेबल की फॉर्म में इस डेटा को अरेंज करना है with the help of tally marks. Whenever you arrange the data in a tabular form, in the form of a table, you have to take help of the tally marks. ये जो values हैं आपके पास, these will act as your observations. You will put tally marks and then write down what's the frequency. I hope everyone is aware of how to make a frequency distribution table. Question number 2. First column, you're going to write down what the observation is. Second column, you have to write down what are the tally marks. Then you have to write down the frequency. First column, write down what the values you see. जो आपको list दी हुई है उसमें आपको कौन कौन सी values नजर आ रही हैं. I can see the values starting from 1 up to 9. Take a look. The smallest value that I can see in the list is 1. Chirag. Chirag.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I wanted to ask, ma'am, I am late, ma'am. My computer was not working, ma'am. Can you tell, ma'am, what we have done till now?
We have just started. We were discussing how to find out the average and how to find out the range. This is the first question that we have just started.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. The second question, the data given to you is to be arranged in the form of a table. So first column, I will be writing down the observations. जो list आपको दी है उसमें आपको कौन कौन से numbers नजर आ रही हैं. The smallest number is 1. Then I can see 2. Then I have 3. Do I have 4? What about 5, 6, 7? Can you tell me what's the largest value in the list? 8, 9. Is that it? All right. I have arranged in ascending order. You can write randomly also. I will try to arrange in ascending order so that I don't miss any of the values. I will start with the smallest one and then keep looking. 1 दिख रहा है मुझे, उसके अलावा फिर मुझे 2 नजर आ रहा है, 3 नजर आ रहा है, 4 नजर आ रहा है, so on. मुझे 9 तक numbers नजर आ रहे हैं. Now tell me how many times you see 1. Can you count and tell me how many times do you see 1? The frequency of 1. 1 is appearing only one time. 1 is appearing only one time. Put 1 tally mark and write down the frequency. What about 2? Twice. 3. Ananya.
Ma'am, nothing, ma'am. I want to give answer.
Okay. Can you tell me how many times 4 is appearing?
Ma'am, 3 times.
Okay. What about 5?
Ma'am, 4 times.
Please check. It's 5.
Okay, ma'am.
5 appears 5 times. 6. 6 is appearing. Okay, Samaira, very good. That's 4 times. Then 7. Twice. 8. Only once. And 9, again, only once. Just once. So this is your table. You can draw the lines to complete it. I think you can draw those with pencil. Pencil से आप borders draw कर सकते हो इसके. Is there anything we are missing here when we make a frequency table? I think your teacher must have told you last year. When you make a frequency table, there is something you have to do at the end. Anyone?
Ma'am, we have to write the value.
You have to write down what value?
Ma'am, total.
Yes, you have to write down the total. Yes, Anad?
Ma'am, I have doubt, ma'am, that ma'am in some schools, मैम एक मैम कौन सी साइड मैम कट करना है मैम, क्योंकि मैम कुछ स्कूल कहते हैं मैम एक मैम राइट साइड से कट करो मैम, कुछ कहते हैं लेफ्ट से करो.
Both is correct. Both is correct. You have to write down the total of the frequency. Total of the frequency should match with the total values given in your question. Please check what's the total here.
And they
12, 16, 20. 20 observations. आपकी book में भी 20 values होंगी. Very good, Ashit and Samaira. Very good. Very good. After completing the table, we can answer the questions. The first part, the highest number in your data. The highest number in your data. Not the frequency. Yes, frequency नहीं देखनी, observations देखनी है. जो आपको list दी हुई है, उस list में सबसे बड़ा number कौन सा है?
9.
Yes, the largest number is 9. Second, the lowest number. Smallest observation, it's 1. Third part, you have to find out the range. Range is calculated by subtracting the smallest value from the highest value. Highest value minus the lowest value. What will be the answer? 8. Then we have to find out the mean, the average. Please make sure that each one of you is aware of these words. Arithmetic mean, average, or simply mean, they all mean one and the same thing. So what we want to do is we want to add up all the observations. Sum of all observations. आपकी book में, question में जितने भी numbers दिए हैं, सभी को add करना है और divide करना है by the number of observations. Count कर लो वो कितनी values हैं. So let us find out the sum of observations. Yes, 20 से divide करना है बेटा. 20 से divide करना है. I'm going to write down the sum. I think Chirag, you are unmuted. Chirag, can you tell me the values quickly? पहली value कौन सी है? Book में से. You have the textbook at hand?
No.
Anyone who has the textbook with them? Gursimran?
Ma'am, yes.
Okay, can you quickly tell me the numbers in the list?
Ma'am, 4, 6, 7, 5.
One by one, I'm writing alongside. 4 plus 6 plus 7.
6 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 5 plus 1 plus 9 plus 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 4 plus 6 plus 7.
All right. This is to be divided by 20. Count kar lo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Tell me what's the total. Yes, Anad?
Ma'am,
The total is 80.
The total is?
Ma'am, the total number is 80.
Are you sure?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
one minute. Ma'am, I will do one.
Cross check quickly. 10, 17, 22, 25, 30, 39, 41, 47,
Ma'am,
49,
it is.
50,
Ma'am, it is
83,
Ma'am, it is
87, 100.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
100. The
Ma'am,
total is
ma'am,
100.
my question is that, ma'am, please scroll up the screen 1 minute. I have to see.
You're on the beginning.
Ma'am, sir, ma'am, ma'am, observation.
The total is 100. Beta, be very careful. Plus करना है, and these are very small numbers. Addition गलत होगी तो अगला step गलत. Take your time. You can do it on your fingertips or you can do in the working column.
Ma'am, it is 100. Ma'am, I count, ma'am, frequency multiplied by observation.
Yes, you can do that way also. Frequency multiplied by observation. All right. Tell me if you've done this. Those who have done, quickly raise your hands. Yes, the answer is to be divided by 20.
5. My answer is 5.
Answer is 5. After division, the answer comes out to be 5.
Ma'am, I did cutting.
Okay. Those who have done, they can start with question 3. Question 3, you have to find out the mean of first 5 whole numbers. Okay. Angad Meet, can you tell me what are the first 5 whole numbers?
Ma'am, whole numbers, ma'am.
First
0,
5.
1,
Yes.
2, 3, 4, and 5.
Up to 4. 5 लिखने हैं, up to 4.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So mean will be equal to the addition of all of these divided by,
Ma'am, yes. Ma'am, 5.
yes, divided by 5.
And can you again explain that what is like mean? Ma'am, I joined late.
Mean simply means the average. You want to find out the average of the values given. For
Ma'am, I
example,
know how to find average.
okay, so
Total number, firstly we have to plus them, then we have to divide how many numbers are there.
that's correct. That's correct. The total of these is 10 divided by
Then
5.
we are
The
10.
answer is
2.
2.
2.
Anyone who is on question 1? Yes, Rishit? I can't see you in the list here. Wait. Can you quickly raise your hands, Rishit? Okay. Go ahead and ask. Unmute.
Ma'am, can you go a little bit slower, ma'am? Because I am writing the previous question and you explain the next question, so I can't
Okay.
understand.
Okay. Sure. Let me know once you have noted down. Have you completed the first one?
Ma'am, I am doing question number 3 now.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you explain it again?
Question 3, you had to find out the mean of the first 5 whole numbers. पिछले क्वेश्चन में नंबर्स उन्होंने दिए हुए थे, लिस्ट दी हुई थी. इस क्वेश्चन में लिस्ट दी नहीं है, सो हमने अपनी तरफ से यहाँ पे नंबर्स लिखे हैं. फर्स्ट 5 होल नंबर्स आपके कहाँ से बिगिन होते हैं? 0 से.
0.
तो एक हो जाएगा 0, फिर 1, 2, 3, 4 एंड 5. सॉरी, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 एंड 4. 5 numbers लिखने हैं आपको. You have to write down the first 5 whole numbers. You will start from 0 and go up to 4. And then you have to find out their mean.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Rishit?
The mean and mean means average.
Yes, mean, average, arithmetic mean, all are same.
Okay, ma'am.
अब यहाँ पे तो इन्होंने whole numbers कहे हैं, first 5 whole numbers. वो कह सकते थे बताओ first 5 prime numbers, उनका mean निकालो.
2, 3, 5, 7,
2, 3, 5, 7, 11.
11, 13, 17.
बस first 5 कहा था मैंने. Okay. Yes, Anhad.
Ma'am, they are not divisible.
Okay. Has everyone completed the first question? I hope everyone has completed the first
Yes,
question.
ma'am.
Okay. Question number 3, those who are doing.
Ma'am, done.
Anyone who is on third question? Done. Okay. 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 Question 4th, you are given the scores of a cricketer in 8 innings. उसने 8 बार मैच खेला कोई, तो 8 different matches, उसका जो स्कोर है आपको वो दिया हुआ है. You have to find out the mean score.
Me.
8 मीन फाइंड आउट करना है, सिंपल. कितनी वैल्यूज हैं? 8 वैल्यूज हैं. हम क्या करेंगे?
Total divided by 8.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. So mean is equal to, I'm going to put the values here, 58 plus
And 58
76, 40,
35, 46, 45, 0 and 100.
and then this is to be divided by 8.
8.
Okay, the total is 400. Some
Yes.
students have already done. Yes, Anna?
50. Ma'am, 50.
Ma'am, I want to give the answer of it.
Yeah, okay. We have multiple, like there are, I think, 2 or 3 more questions. You can answer in the next one. Question, okay, let me know once you have done 4th, then we can continue.
I'm done.
The students who have raised their hands, do they have doubts or do they want to answer the question? I think they all want to answer the question. Okay, right. Those who have doubts, please keep your hands raised. In case you just want to answer the question, please put your hand down. It just confuses me. Hand raise means I have a doubt. Sia. Sia, beta, you've raised your
yes,
hand.
ma'am.
Beta, you have a doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Bolo, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in the second question, ma'am, the fourth part, the mean, ma'am, you done by divided 20. Ma'am, can we write like 100 by 20?
Yes. In fraction, you can write.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Angad?
Ma'am, yes. Ma'am, I want to ask that, ma'am, in question number 4, ma'am, there is 58 plus 76 plus 40 plus 35 plus 46 plus 45 plus 0. Ma'am, if we take 1 in the side of 0, ma'am, plus 100, ma'am, there will be 401 over 8. Ma'am, then how will we get the answer?
In that case, you can give the answer as a mixed number or a decimal number.
Okay, ma'am.
It's not necessary that you will get an exact answer. Sometimes it could be just a fraction.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Let's take a look at question number
Ma'am,
5.
can we get that type of question that
Yes,
which
yes.
will be
Ma'am, what?
Yes.
Ma'am, how we can explain average?
Average simply tells you, for example, if you want to find out your average marks. आपके इंग्लिश में अलग मार्क्स हैं, मैथ्स में अलग हैं, साइंस में अलग हैं, एसएसटी में अलग हैं, एक लैंग्वेज में अलग हैं, पंजाबी में भी या हिंदी. You want to find out what's your average performance. जो आपके scores आए हैं, वो generally किस value के around lie करते हैं. So if all your scores are in 20s, तो आपकी average भी क्या आएगी? In 20s आएगी. Right? But this doesn't work in case a child is doing very good in one subject, whereas the child is not doing so well in some other subject. इस case में जो range होगी वो बहुत ज़्यादा होगी. So उस case में average can actually provide some wrong data, wrong information. But otherwise, in general, सिंपली अगर आपको फाइंड आउट करना है एवरेज, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी समर्स का टेम्परेचर है, तो ऑन एन एवरेज क्या टेम्परेचर रहता है डेली? सो व्हाट द
45.
so the data can be collected for several days. For example, on the month of July, every day count कर लो, फर्स्ट डे कितना था, सेकंड डे कितना था, थर्ड डे कितना था, फिर 31 डेज की एवरेज निकालो और बता दो कि एवरेज टेम्परेचर इतना होता है। कि इसके अराउंड, इस वैल्यू के अराउंड रहेगा, थोड़ा ज्यादा थोड़ा कम हो सकता है, बट दिस इज वेयर द वैल्यूज वर मोस्टली लाइंग अराउंड।
Ma'am, if someone asks us that, what do you mean by ma'am? How can we give exact answer that
एवरेज
this
इज
means?
एवरेज इज एक्चुअली, अगर आपको टेक्निकली इसको डिफाइन करना है, एवरेज इज अ मेजर ऑफ सेंट्रल टेंडेंसी व्हिच प्रोवाइड्स अस विद द नंबर around which all the observations lie. Measure of central tendency, it represents, like it's kind of a monitor, पूरी क्लास का मॉनिटर है, रिप्रेजेंट करता है पूरी लिस्ट को, एंड वो वैल्यू ऐसी होगी जिसके अराउंड सारी ऑब्जर्वेशंस लाई करती हैं. You can just convert this into English. The measure of
Okay.
central tendency around which most of the observations lie.
Ma'am, average means representing the observations.
Yes, it is one of the representatives.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am?
Dronveer. Yes, Dronveer. The answer can be in mixed form. Yes, Ananya, go ahead.
Ma'am, my notebook has recently gone for checking, so please send this work in the group.
Okay. Okay. Question number 5. You are given this table here. 3 players, A, B, C, their scores in 4 different games. Player C did not play one game. उसने एक game play ही नहीं की. The first question is find the mean to determine A's average number of points. A के जो points हैं,
Mean of A. The
A
mean
के
of
A के जो score हैं, ये A के scores हैं. Sum of all these points divided by
the mean of player A. Ma'am, second है ma'am.
Anna, can you tell me in the first part when we will find out the average for A, हम ये जो numbers को add करेंगे, हम किससे divide करेंगे?
4.
Four.
50 divided by
Ma'am,
4.
4.
Ma'am, 50
Okay.
divided by 4.
50 divided by
12.5.
By 4 equals to.
second part, to find the mean number of points for C. C की average find out करनी है अब आपको. किससे divide करेंगे?
18 divided by 4.
6 के लिए हमारे पास कितने matches का score है?
हम 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे.
Yes, we will divide by 3, not by 4.
In B, it is 18.
Yes.
Only 3 games.
There are only 3 observations.
21.
There are
Ma'am,
3
divided.
observations. फिर आपको B की एवरेज फाइंड आउट करनी है, लास्ट में बताना है कि कौन बेस्ट परफॉर्मर है.
And B की में 4.5 है and I'm best performer and player A.
Okay, let's write the answer. First part, average for player A. We have 14 plus 16 plus 10 plus 10 divided by 4. This is 50 by 4. I'm going to just reduce it to the simplest form. This is 25 by 2 or 12 and a half.
25 by 2. 12 and a half. Okay, ma'am.
12 and a half. Then we have 12 and a half is 12.5.
Ma'am, can we write 12.5?
For average of player C, the total points will be divided by,
A.
we will divide the total points by 3. And the reason is,
Reason he did not play game 3.
he did not play game 3, or you can simply say कि हमारे पास observations ही कितनी हैं? 3 observations हैं.
3.
We don't have the 4th observation. Let's find out the average right here.
10.66.
Average of player C. This will be 8 plus 11 plus 13 divided by 3. The total is
32 divided by 3, that is 10.66.
all right. 10.6 is approximately.
Yes, ma'am.
So we will convert this into also. Okay, this is exactly 12.5.
Ma'am, the average always come in approximately.
No. If the division is not complete, remainder 0 नहीं आ रहा आपका, तो फिर आप कुछ decimal points तक आंसर देते हो. Point के बाद आप 2 digits तक आंसर दे सकते हो. Point के बाद आप 3 digits तक आंसर दे सकते हो. You know your division is not complete, and you will say that this is approximately the answer. Whereas
Ma'am,
in,
like question 4 we receive 50.
yes, that was an exact number. Sometimes you might not get an exact number. You can convert it into a decimal number.
Okay, ma'am.
वो decimal number भी कई बार exact नहीं होता.
Mostly, ma'am, the cases in 3 and 7 table. Number can't be exact.
Average of player B. We have 0 in the first game, 8 in the second one, then he got 6, then he got 4.
I'm 18.4, that is 4.5.
9 by 2, this is 4.5 or 4.5. So who's the best performer?
Player A.
Player A.
मैम वो तो पहले ही लग गया था पता.
उसके बहुत ज्यादा points है ना?
मैम यस. मैम प्लेयर मैम सबसे बैड कौन सा है?
Okay, ma'am. B.
B हाँ. Third part C सोच रही हूँ.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm going to give you the next question as homework. Question number 6 and question 7.
Time is over.
Question number 6 and question number 7 as homework.
Yes, question 6 and question 7 will be your homework.
Ma'am, 1 minute, do not end the meeting.
Just complete it and let me know, then I will end the meeting. Okay.
मैम खुद हो जाएगी, रहने दो. लास्ट ही तो है.
Can I leave the meeting? And can I leave the meeting?
Yes.
निश्चित का काम हो गया.
हो गया तो. और अपनी बुक समेट कर भाग जाओ.
Angadmeet, beta, you raised your hand. You have a doubt?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, it was
From
earlier.
earlier. Rishik, beta, done?
मैम यस डन.
Okay.
मैं देखो इतनी बुक्स खोल के रखी थी आज सुबह से.
Very good.
हर सब्जेक्ट की एक बुक.
Bye, everyone.
बाय मैम.